Sunrise, and the great forest is slowly waking up. A northern cardinal curls up to protect against the cold wind, its precious chick. The young bird needs to be kept warm in order to survive. But youth can be restless. The weather isn't the only challenge they face. An inescapable part of the circle of life. But not today. In an extraordinary move, the predator has become the provider. Once again, nature reveals to be just as beautiful as it is unpredictable, showing that love always triumphs over fear. A joyful Christmas to you all.